Hi everyone, this is Maria and today we are going to talk about view templates. View templates allows you to standardize the way that your views are displayed. So imagine that you have different floor plans for a building or you have a lot of sections and you want them to display just the same way with the same settings. So if you learn how to take the most out of the view templates, you are going to make your work more effective as you will make changes only one time instead of repeating the task for different views. So now let's see what we can do with view templates. I have now opened this level 1 floor plan and this level 2. So we're going to find out how to make both of them look the same with the same information, the same display level. So let's go to level 1. And if we go to view templates, we can apply a template or we can create a template from current view. So I'm going to choose this option so we can go from here. So you will have to name this. We are going to name this floor plan 100. Okay. And you will see this window with all the existing view templates in your project. It is very important that you rename very specific your view templates because there will be a time that you are going to have a lot of them. So please take that in mind. As you can see, you have all these parameters that you can apply to your view templates, then the value, and then you have this last column that includes or not includes the parameters in the view template. It is very useful, but it could be dangerous for some things because if you, for example, don't include the view scale, you can click OK and you will be able to apply for this instance level 1 or floor plan. You could apply 150 for this view, and then you can go to this level 2 and apply the same view template. You can go here to identity data and click on view template. And if you apply this view template, you will see that view scale is not included. So if you click OK, you will have to click them one by one for each of your floor plans, and it can make your work a bit inconsistent. So please choose this option for only exceptions, and your work will be controlled by your view templates. Now let's go back to our level 1 and let's click on this view template and let's see what else we can customize here. You can see as well that you have the number of views that have applied this view template. It is very useful when you have to purge view templates that are not applied to any views on your project. So it's good to know. Then you have the display model. I'm going to choose this normal display, the detail level, which you can change, for example, to medium for the scale. And for the visibility graphics overrides, you have the model overrides, the annotation, analytic, import, filters, and design options. For the model overrides, you can change how the lines are displayed, the patterns for projection or cut. You can apply transparency for any of the elements and you can check this halftone option. You could choose if the detail level is going to be the by view that you have applied in the view template, or if you want to change this specifically to another detail level. Now let's make an example for walls. Let's go to W, and here in cut patterns, we are going to choose a solid fill, and you can give a color. For example, we can change this to red, and maybe you would like to change also the lines for the walls, and let's choose red as well. And let's click OK and see what happens to the walls that are cut. That is very graphical, so let's go back again to the template and you can choose which annotation categories can be turned on. We can say that the sections are not going to be displayed or the elevations. Here, for analytical model categories, you can choose to show or not to show analytical model categories. We're going to leave this just unchecked. And then you have the imported categories. Here you will find all the categories, for example, DWG elements. If you have a CAD file, you can control the way that the lines are displayed, which layers are going to be displayed, etc. You may want to take a look to my how to insert link CAD video and discover a bit more about the settings. And then you have the filters that you can also check my last video for view filters where I explain how to create them. And that will be all for this video. Let's click OK. Keep in mind that view templates might be the reason for you to see or not see some things in Revit. For example, if you don't see the elevation tags, maybe that's because you have applied a filter to the view template, or you have the elevations unchecked on the annotation elements, or it might be the reason why you have your floor elements displaying with their own material pattern, or if you have chosen to override all of the floor elements with the same pattern. For example, this solid fill, great, okay, okay. And then all of the floors are going to display the same way instead of having their own floor pattern. Using view templates will be on your daily basis, so please leave me a comment if you have a specific question for me. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please stay tuned for View Templates Part 2. Thank you for watching and see you next time.